Morning traders. Today is Friday, May 31st. So let's take a look at what happened yesterday for a little bit. Let's see. Looks like yesterday we had a little bit of resistance up here. And then some type of support maybe around right here. A little messy there. Something like that. And then towards the end of the day, we kind of broke through that, back tested it, then tried to drift off a little more to the downside there, but it looks like it only got to 52.30, and it's kind of leaving us like these little bit of waves. And then just zoomed up here, I guess, in the pre-market a little bit, and then back to our resistance. Pretty much a deeper pullback into the support area again. So we're just kind of in between these two ranges right now. So it looks like it might want to go sideways for a while. If we look, let's see. Check something real quick. 24th. Yeah, so kind of we're stuck in between these two ranges a little bit right now. We do have the strong run up to the upside. With deeper pullback. Let's see. Well, it hasn't retraced fully to 50% back, but still pretty deep pullback here. Let's see what we get. We might want to come back up here, come back down, might go sideways for a while. That's what I'm thinking. Again, we have like this strong run up. This is a 40-point move. It really should have gone from here higher, but it didn't. So we had this pretty deep pullback, and then started to kind of stabilize itself right above the support. And we have a nice run up. Kind of thinking that we're gonna come right back up here. Momentum, kind of hard to say, but immediate momentum up. Overall, still a lower low here. And then we have all these a lower high, and then we have these lower lows here still. So I'm going to get up here somewhere here soon. Shallow pullback here. Pullback. Let's see. Let's to our target right here. Somewhere in that area should reach. I kind of already reached, pretty much reached that resistance area. I don't know why it's still doing this. I have not figured out why it should not be placing orders on fucking this sim account. Fucking weird. So kind of already reached our resistance. Like I said, we might be ranging between these two prices or areas. So we might be headed down lower. All right, so headed down lower here into this area. Um, so we can talk about this. We did have this shallow pullback trade to the upside that worked out um, to our target, and then some shorts that worked out as well to our target. So I'm up right now. I'll show you the trading a little bit, but now we're at the bottom. We could possibly go up now again to our resistance up here. Possibly go up here. Maybe go down. Maybe go down a little deeper, and then come back up. See what the market wants to do. I did take this trade right here, so I took that. For about almost 10 points, so 9.50. Pretty good. I did miss out on this one right here, which would have netted me, maybe another 6. So we'll see if we can get some more opportunities. But as of right now, I'm pretty good. I'm good with that. Just to end the Friday. Right. So do have these shallow pullbacks here, and then kind of wait. Let's see if we get another shallow pullback. Maybe we can break this. Right, getting another shallow pullback. So one shallow pullback there, another shallow pullback. Let's see if we start developing this pattern a little more with some more shallow pullbacks. Maybe we're gonna get all the way down here to 5250. So let's see, get another set of shallow pullbacks. We kind of almost try to have it here, but failed. And then maybe again to see if we're might break down below. Just a little bit right there. Targets that we've been setting and hitting. So maybe this is another target right here. We're getting another shallow pullback right there. And we might extend a little bit, try to get to that 5250 area. Let's see. Pretty good trading right here, for sure. All right, looks like we're about to tap our little target down there. Trying to adjust it right around there. This is correct. So looks like going in deeper into that support, but not really breaking it just yet. Holding right above 52.50 there. We could start seeing this kind of round off and maybe come back up. Not necessarily like that, but I get the point there. So pretty much reached our other target we set down here below. Oh, shallow pullback, shallow pullback, shallow pullback. Now we're into a deeper pullback. Right, so market's kind of slowing down just that bit. It's kind of almost coiling up. So looking like we might get a big move here somewhere soon. Maybe just as big as this one. Could be to the downside there. Or to the upside. So it'll look like that. Let's see. Either one of the two. Looks like we're going to the downside. See how big this move is gonna be. And then here we finally printed 52.50. So we might be headed lower now to 52.40. And then you might be looking, first of all, let me see how much we've retraced since this whole move. So we finally did retrace 50% back. But this move kind of started with this V shape down here, so we might be looking to retrace that whole move. Yeah, so we might be looking to retrace that whole move there. Come up and then come all the way down. So we'll see. All right. Still, for some reason, still printing my shit. Well, that didn't work. It's fine. All right, so this shallow pullback here didn't work out. Coming back a little deeper into a deeper pullback area. So let me move this back here, and then we can set some of these pivots up. So probably as long as we don't break maybe this pivot, and we probably will continue down lower. I keep this pivot intact, it will be all right. It's not very that important, but yeah, as long as we don't really break above that one, it should be continuing down lower. I did try to somewhat get, I did kind of miss these shallow pullbacks here. After this strong move down, I did try to kind of capture this maybe for another piece down here. Didn't work out, kind of just pulled deeper on me. We'll see what the market does though. I was thinking we were going to continue at least to get these shallow pullbacks 1, 2, maybe 3 deeper, and then reset that pattern. So it'd probably get another shallow pullback all the way down. That's what I was thinking. But pulling back deeper here, so just as long as we don't break above this pivot, I think we should be fine. We should be most likely hitting that lower. All right, here we have another push to the downside. Let's see how deep we can go, how low we can go. All right, coming down here, so maybe trying to find ourselves a bottom, but we can easily break through that. All right, so it didn't work here. Came back deeper, gave us two entries there, kind of like a double top-ish pattern right there, and then from this price it's going. So zooming down here and see if we get there. Let's see if we capture pretty much already making the same amount of uh just the same amount of points in this move as in this move down here. So we might go down just a little bit deeper and tap this 5240. The 10 points right there. There we go, tapping 5240. And then to continue down lower, then our next target would be down here. And then, yep, pretty much where the move started in the pre-market. definitely get rid of this. Right, next target down here. So the way the market's been moving, it's been moving with some shallow pullbacks and then a deeper one and then some more shallow pullbacks. So we might get one more shallow pullback and then probably a deeper one. All right. So we might zoom down here, breaking these little pivots right here. So breaking that little wall. Once we kind of break that, we'll probably zoom down here. We'll see. It is kind of almost rounding off. Maybe it's we should probably get one, maybe just parabolic move to end this progression. It would make sense to come all the way down here and just kind of retrace where this whole move started anyways. So we'll see if we get that one little zoom, and then that'll probably be the end of this. But it could just start finding some support down here and then finding its way higher. Let's see what the market wants to do. And finally hitting our last target down here. So that last move down here, and then after that, it's anybody's guess. Let's see what the market wants to do, but so far just been hitting every target I've been setting. So yeah, pretty easy Friday. It's kind of surprising here how easy this Friday is. Usually they're not that easy. Sometimes it can be a little difficult, but easy Friday, probably get your money and go type of day. End of the week. For me, I think I'm about to hop off because I'm up. How much did I lose here? I'm up about 8 points in 3 accounts, so I'm good with that. We'll probably see this. Probably gonna see it. Maybe depends. We can still continue downward. Over momentum is to the downside. The trend is to the downside, but for me, it came back where the move started, pretty much, and then I don't know. It could give us a strong run up to the upside, breaking all these pivots right here, and then the market probably retrace and probably go to the middle. So maybe let's see, 20 points. So around this area, I'll start maybe trying to come back to. It's pretty much the middle right there. Let's see. Yeah, I'll probably try to come back somewhere in here if we don't continue down lower, because we are trending lower. So I mean, we are trending to the downside, but if we see like a pretty strong run up, breaking some pivots, then we'll most likely at least head to the middle And then if we do start trending down lower, then we can see this as another target down there. Let's see. It's nothing really. It'll be pretty much thin air if we're able to, crack this, then I'd say thin air. Pretty much, yeah, it's pretty much thin air there. Then we'll really start trending down to the downside. It's pretty much nothing gonna be able to hold it back. So that'd be actually pretty interesting to see. Because the speed of it will start to pick up. Nothing in the way. This is our last thing kind of standing right now. So this little pivot there. So we'll see what the market does there. Oh wow, that's interesting. We are headed down lower here. Um, We do have to wait for it to have like a pretty distinctive maybe break, and we're in thin air, so if we don't FOBO and go higher or something, yeah, we might hit all the way down to 5200 on a Friday. So that's kind of interesting. And here we go, boys. Okay, well, not just yet, but it's looking like it's gonna want to start picking up some speed to the downside here. So that I will be a part of. Let's see. I feel like they're trying not to let this thing fall right now. But there really isn't anything to hold it back from falling. So, let's see. Let's find out. Let's find out what it wants to do. Here we go. Look at that. So, it's one pop up, another pop up, or what? Okay. So I'm kind of saying we need like a definitive break here. But oh, here we go. Here we go. We're in for a treat here. Let's see. There's nothing here to hold it back. There's nothing. Yeah, thin air all the way until May 15th there. So that's thin air. Thin air, baby. Let's see if we can't get some speed into this thing. We'll start marching lower there. Here we go. Here we go. It's probably gonna get there in one move right there. Let's see. We can find an entry for ourselves. I'm just gonna zoom right to it. There's nothing holding it back. And we're going to the downside, which is even worse, because usually when we're going to the downside, it's more violent and more sharp. So a shallow pullback right here. Here we go down here. Our next target. Let's see. Let's see if we can get that started become pretty violent to the downside. Whoa, whoa. All right. Another shallow pullback right here. Let's see. See if it holds. See if we can't get down here. So shallow. This curve is still holding, so we might get a little bit deeper here. And zoom down. Locked, but yet it's moving. Weirdest thing ever. Alright, it's pretty sharp. This is pretty sharp. See where it decides to cool off, but hopefully we don't FOMO. As long as we don't FOMO to the upside, we're good. But you still have other opportunities to take there. Well, not the reaction I kind of wanted. Since we are breaking down lower and broke these pivots, and we broke the low from free market. I expected more strength and thinner, so not the price action I wanted to see, but that kind of gives me the impression that we are gonna FOGO, come back in here because this is the price action that we should be seeing. That we shouldn't be seeing, so. So this is still a possibility that if we FOBO, this is the middle of this whole move, so maybe all right. Looks like it held. So All right, so it's like after this big old move to a downside, kind of just catching our breath, going sideways just a little bit, and then probably just to continue down lower. Yeah. All right, well, I think I'm calling it a day. We'll probably end up at least getting to halfway back. So yeah, pretty fun, interesting day. We're seeing all the targets that we've been just kind of setting throughout the day, and yeah, pretty nice movement to the downside here. Lots of points for people to capitalize on. So yeah, let me end this stream. Let's see. All right, cool. I'll catch y'all on the next one. It's the Bad Day Trader. Peace.